Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your sales approach with Close.io step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Close.io account. Familiarize yourself with the Close.io dashboard. Identify your current sales process and metrics. Set clear and measurable sales goals for your team. Access the leads section to manage potential customers efficiently. Create and segment lead lists based on relevant criteria. Use the Activities tab to track communications with leads. Implement automation by setting up workflows for repetitive tasks. Utilize the built-in calling feature for direct outreach. Record and analyze call outcomes to identify areas for improvement. Leverage the email integration to streamline communication. Use templates for email outreach to save time and maintain consistency. Schedule follow-ups using the calendar tool to ensure no lead is overlooked. Review the reporting section to analyze your sales performance regularly. Adjust your sales tactics based on the insights from your data. Train your sales team on best practices for using Close.io effectively. Collect feedback from your team to continue refining your approach. Expand your outreach by integrating Close.io with other tools like CRM or marketing software. Monitor key performance indicators to gauge the effectiveness of your scaled approach. Continuously iterate on your sales strategy to adapt to market changes and customer needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.